In this video, you're going to learn how to use the Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. Okay, make sure the spin dial is on soft or normal. Then add detergent. Fill the tub with water and add your clothes. Close lid and turn time dial on for however long you want to wash them. When the load is done, turn dial to drain and drain water out of washer. Place clothing in spin dry machine and spin dry them for however long you'd like. Then turn dial back to soft or normal. Fill the tub in the washer again with water, no detergent. Place clothing from spin dryer back in washing tub with fresh water. Close the lid and turn dial on for however long you want to rinse, wash your clothes. When done, drain. Place clothing in spin dryer and spin dry. Congratulations, you now know how to use the Giantex Portable Washer. Check it out at the link below and don't forget to subscribe.